Okay, now what we have to do is to download and install all the software required for you to start programming. One of these will be VS Code, then the other one will be the Python interpreter, and then the last one will be the VS Code Python extension. What is this? Well, for each language, you need to download the package specific for that language that tells VS Code what are the rules of the language, based on which suggestions, error alerts should be given to you. And the way you download that is directly within the VS Code Marketplace, which is found here. Usually this area is found on the left by default, but I placed it on the right because I find it more comfortable to have more space on the left. So let's go with the download and installation of VS Code. Oh, and I have to tell you that this installation is for people using Windows. I will leave links in the description to guides on how to do the same things. The first two steps. The third step is done the same way, the installation of the Python extension from the marketplace. But the first two are installed in different ways, and I will give you links to the guides that tell you how to do this on macOS devices and Linux devices. But if you want to skip all this installation, if you do not want to bother with it, there is another way that you can start programming right away, and it is by using a cloud IDE. So you access a website. I will tell you which website. It's called Replit. There is many, but I will show you how to create an account and create a Python file on Replit as well. And that might be useful if you want to start right away. This is not too hard. This is actually simple, but based on the status of your system, you might get some error messages, and it might be a bit annoying finding the solution to those errors. So if you want to start right away, use Replit, but eventually, to do serious stuff, you will need to download VS Code and the Python interpreter and the Python extension. So let's start. VS Code. Click here. You download for Windows. All right, the program is downloading. Once it's done downloading, you double click on it, and you will find yourself having to take a few choices. Here you click on I accept the agreement. And then here you make sure you click on add to path, and this one as well. And actually click on everything and then go next. But mostly make sure that these two boxes are ticked. Then here, click on install, and then wait until you're done installing. And then click on finish. And you can untick this. Close it. Now we proceed with the installation of the Python interpreter. And the way you do it is, well, first of all, you want to check that you do not have the Python interpreter installed first. The way you do that, let's clear this out first. The way you do that is by simply typing Python here. Well, you see, if you get a message like this, it means that you already have the Python interpreter installed. In case you do not see this, that means you do not have the Python interpreter installed, which means that you have to install it now. Python.org. Well, let's do it through here. You go on download. By default, this is the Windows version. You click on it. You wait until the download is complete. And now you double click on it, and you will see the following options. Right, again, take the box saying add Python to path, and take on this other option as well. Then take on custom installation and take on all the boxes. Then go on install now, and then whatever comes next, just say yes to that. Now, what you have to do, because you have added the Python interpreter to the path, and the same thing you have done as well with VS Code, you need to restart your computer. So you go here in Windows, here, and click on restart, right? And now you're done. You can start using VS Code with the Python interpreter. And now the last thing you have to do is to download the extension for VS Code. But before you do that, just double check that you have correctly installed Python. And to do that, again, you just type Python. And if you see something like this, then you're good to go. Just let's install the Python extension. Go here, the four squares, click, and this is the marketplace. Here you can find many extensions to add features to your VS Code IDE. You simply type Python and you press enter. You are not seeing anything here, but that is something specific to my setup because I have removed access to internet VS Code. The marketplace requires access to the internet, but I will show you, because I already have it installed, what it is that you will find and have to click on. I click on installed. These are the ones that I already have. And let's see, Python. Yeah, this is the one. Python by Microsoft. And here you will have the option to install it. Once you have done that, you can go to the next lesson. If you have any issues, if you need any help, if you have any issues with the installation itself, there are many places where you can ask for help. One of these is the official forum for Python, which is this one I'm highlighting, python.org. You could go on Stack Overflow, or you could read the official Python documentation, which is found at this address. But it is very terse. It's not something suggested for beginners. It's very hard to read. So I think you maybe just have a look at it, and maybe with time you find it more comfortable to go directly to the Python documentation. For now, I would say just have a look at it